Hello folks, welcome back to another lesson. This one's going out for Patreon Tom Shaw. Thank you very much indeed for your support, sir. And look, we have 2 camera angles now. That's right. I've invested in another camera, which will help with demos and other stuff. But thank you to the patrons for your support because you made this possible. I do need to get a better lens for that one because this one down here, is lots better than that one up there. But we're getting there. Improvements. Now, I'm going to be using 4 pedals to nail the tone in this one. I think it's pretty close. We've got wah first, then I've got the skeleton key, then I've got fuzz, courtesy of the JSA Effects Heartbreaker, and then I'm going into the Echo Fix spring reverb as well. So I'm leaving the spring reverb on throughout, and I've got the skeleton key on for the main tone. That is this. And I leave both of those on with the other stuff as well, right? So for the solo, I just add the fuzz. That spittiness, right? That's cool. But then, if you put a wah on for that intro, so those are the 3 main tones. We are in drop D tuning. So your low E is going to go down to D. Let's learn this thing. So first up, we've got this repeating part with the wah and fuzz. And all I'm doing there is low string with hardly any movement on the wah, and when you come to the percussive bits, you just mute the string and rock the wah back and forth, right? I was playing a bit of an approximation there, but the exact notes, if you really want to get the wah pattern exact, is... is that, right? I think we've covered that enough. Then we go into this. And around. So it's 0, 3, 0. And then off, on, off. And these are all 1-finger power chords, right? Up to the 5th fret. And you could do your 3rd finger or your 4th, depending on how big your fingers are. Same pattern again, up 2 frets. Same pattern on the 12th fret. The next 2 times are very subtly different in that there's a little bit of palm muting in the first bar. So you have this kind of... so the rest of it's the same. But you just got that. So it's a palm muted. Play these open with the upstrokes. And then a little palm mute again. And then back into the rest of it as you would do normally. Like that. Those are, I think, most of the parts. You go back into the verse with... into that again 4 times. Second chorus. Both those sections. That again. And then we're into the solo. Let's go through the solo. So fuzz on. Gets a bit noisy. And then we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. Comes in after like an 1/8 note rest. Just part of the feel, really. Don't worry too much. And it's a half step bend. Okay, so again, 3, 4, 1. And then we have this second bar. And then with the fuzz. Third bar goes 3, 4. It's like a bit of a noisy slide, right? And then we go 15th fret. It's only a half step bend again. Some more slidey stuff. And then the next bar is... Okay, so the first part we have 3, 4, 1. Next section goes. It's that bit. Then we have a full step bend to end it, okay? So, first part, let's go a bit quieter. So we have half step bend. Like that. Second bar then goes. You could stay here. Then we have this. These are full step bends now. And then all you need to do is go back into the verse. However you want to play that. And then it's the chorus for the last time, which goes... The last time it plays... So thanks again for your support. Hope you enjoyed this one. See you again soon.